Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing your works well. Welcome back to today's class. In the last class, we have seen that Congress was organizing all the individual satyagrahas and revolting against the Britishers. As these Indian people were revolting against the British rule, they were very upset and they were looking for ways to punish the Congress and make it weak. So, they began to follow the divide and rule policy more vigorously. The British government supported and encouraged the plans of the Muslim League and gave less importance to the Congress. So, its leaders like M.A. Jinnah became more active in mass politics. Children, now we see the activities of the Muslim League. The Muslim League was formed in the year 1906. It mainly represented the interest of the Muslim landlords of UP and did not have much mass support. It had demanded the British should create separate councils for which only Muslims would vote. It had argued that since the majority people in many areas were Hindus, there were more chances of Hindus getting elected to councils. If this happened, Muslims would not be able to protect their interest in the government. That means, children, separate seats were created for Muslims based on their interest. Separate electorates were implemented from 1909. Children, separate electorate means here separate seats were allotted for the Muslims and where only Muslim can vote in those councils. When provincial governments were elected in 1937, the League won 102 of the 482 Muslim seats in the country. Children, there were elections conducted in the provinces. So, in the year 1937, in that the Muslim League won 102 seats out of 482 Muslim seats. And also, the Congress also fought elections on the Muslim seats. Even though there was a separate electorate for Muslims, the Congress also fought elections on the Muslim seats because it believed that it was a national party. Children, you understand here, Congress believed that it was a national party and not a party of only Hindus. The Congress won 26 out of the 58 Muslim seats it had contested. Congress had contested in 58 Muslim seats. Out of that, it had won in 26 seats. Why? Because Congress believed that it was a national party and not a party of only Hindus. In 1937, the Muslim League got only 4.4% of the total Muslim votes in the elections. The Muslim League was popular in the United Provinces, Bombay and Madras. However, it was quite weak in the three provinces from which Pakistan was to be made just 10 years later, that is Bengal, the Northwest Frontier Province and Punjab. Children, here the Muslim League was popular in the United Provinces. United Provinces means Bombay and Madras were together in those times. United Province. So, in these United Provinces, Bombay and Madras, the Muslim League was very popular. But it was very weak in these provinces, Bengal, the Northwest Frontier and Punjab. But later, what happened after 10 years? The name Pakistan was coined by a Punjabi Muslim. You understand, children? But what happened from 1937 to 1947? What happened? how this Muslim League was able to become popular in Punjab and all, we will be learning that. In 1946, when elections were held again for the provincial and central assemblies, the League succeeded in winning the Muslim seats. Children, we have seen that League won 102 of the 482 Muslim seats in 1937. But in the year 1946, what happened? In the provincial and central assemblies, the League won most of the Muslim seats. So what happened in between 1937 and 1947 to the Muslim population? The League pointed out many issues. The Muslim League pointed out many issues. It blamed that Congress was insensitive to the needs of Muslims. See children, Muslim League had blamed Congress that it was not at all bothering about the needs of Muslims. For example, the Congress refused to form a coalition government with the Muslim League in the United Provinces, where it too had won many seats. Children, which are the United Provinces? Bombay and Madras. In these two places, even though the Muslim League had won many seats, Congress was not ready to form a coalition government with the Muslim League. What is a coalition government? Coalition government means when a government was formed with more than one party at the center, it is called a coalition government. That means if any party wants to form a government at the center, they should get more than half of the seats in the Lok Sabha. Children, we have 545 seats in the Lok Sabha in India, and if any party wants to form a government at the center, they should get more than half of the seats. If they don't have that many of seats, they should join with any party and form the government. The Congress had banned its members from taking membership of the Muslim League. Children, one issue is that Congress refused to form coalition government with the Muslim League. Another issue is that the Congress had banned its members from taking membership of the Muslim League. They refused its members not to take membership from the Muslim League. Congress members could be members of the Hindu Mahasabha before. See children, Congress had made a mistake, big mistake, that it allowed its members to take a membership from Hindu Mahasabha, but it refused its members to take membership from the Muslim League. But this was also banned from 1938 only after objections from Muslim congressmen like Maulana Azad. It was also banned. Taking the membership from Hindu Mahasabha also was banned only after the objections raised by Muslim congressmen like Maulana Azad. Thus, the League created the impression that Congress was basically a Hindu party and did not want to share power with the Muslims. So like the children, this Muslim League created an impression that Congress was a Hindu party. It is ignoring the Muslims and also it don't want to share power with the Muslims. During this period, the Hindu Mahasabha and the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh RSS, they were mobilizing Hindus. Both these organizations wanted to unite the Hindus spread across the country, and they also wanted to claim that India was the land of the Hindus who were in a majority. Many congressmen were also impressed with the activities of these organizations. Congress was trying hard to create a secular understanding among its members. Here children, secular means treating all religions equally. So Already, the Muslim League and the Hindu Mahasabha's activities were creating wrong impressions in the minds of people. Congress argued that Hindus and Muslims were not people of two different nations but a part of one Indian nation. However, the British were eagerly listening to the fears of the Muslim League about Hindu domination, and they were suggesting the ways to make the Muslims secure. The Pakistan resolution. Many people felt that a separate governing arrangements were needed for regions where there are Muslim majority. For example, the Urdu poet Muhammad Iqbal, the writer of the song Sare Jahan Se Acha, spoke of a need for a northwest Indian Muslim state in his presidential address to the Muslim League in 1930. The name Pakistan was taken from Punjab, Afghan, Kashmir, Sindh and Balochistan, and it was coined by a Punjabi Muslim, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who was a student of Cambridge. The Muslim League demanded for autonomy where there is Muslim majority, but they never mentioned about the partition or Pakistan. All this was happened because Congress failed to address the problems of Muslims. Between 1940 to 1946, League convinced Muslims about the benefits of a separate nation. If they were separate nation, they can imagine a state where Hindu zamindars and moneylenders did not exploit them, and there will be a greater religious freedom, and also there won't be any competition with the Hindu traders and businessmen, etc. They also can run the government the way they wanted. Between 1942 to 1945, when many Congress leaders were in jail, the League made use of this opportunity to convince the Muslims. Now, children, it's time for your homework. Children, write down the following questions in your rough notes and submit in time. Thank you. God bless you.